Do you want to see the biggest secret about scrambling eggs? Stay tuned. Hey, Chef Des coming at you, corporate chef of bcegg.com, and I'm going to teach you the biggest secret about scrambling eggs properly. A lot of people think they know how to scramble an egg properly, but the biggest thing you can do wrong is having your temperature of your pan too high. Egg whites and egg yolks coagulate, which means they cook at a lot lower temperature than you think. Egg whites coagulate about 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Egg yolks coagulate about 158 degrees. So combining them together in a scrambled mixture, you're actually going to lower that to about 156. And a pan on high heat, that is screaming hot. That's way above 156. And you're just going to turn those eggs rubbery. They're going to be dry. That's not how we want to do it. We want to do medium heat. First thing we're going to do, let's get our pan medium heat. Come over for a bowl, grab a couple of nice BC eggs, and just give them a good whipping. All right, your pan is heated a little bit. We're just going to take a little knob of butter, put that in the pan, and then add the eggs. So what you want to do is you want to keep the eggs moving, okay? Just keep them moving, and when you start to see them coagulate, you know the heat's starting to get at them. And the butter's going to melt into the eggs, making it nice and rich. And if you think the heat is too much, or they're coagulating too fast, then just take it off the heat a little bit. And just keep stirring them. If you have a good pan, it's going to retain a lot of heat in the pan. And by cooking them nice and slow like this, and not over high heat, you're going to have a really moist consistency. They're not going to be rubbery and dry, and they're just going to be beautiful. Whether you serve it on the side, on a piece of toast, some English muffins, whatever you like. Don't be frustrated about having to stir it constantly, because it's going to go pretty quick. You can start to see that now. It's starting to coagulate a bit. Again, if you think it's too fast, just take it off the heat for a sec. Keep stirring. The last thing you want to do is have them made in ahead of time in a huge batch and have them sitting there over heat or just on the table, because they're going to continue to cook way past where they should be. It's not good. So they're best made to order, much like a fried egg is best made to order as well. You just have to baby a little bit. You know, you want things to turn out really well, take some care with it. Again, just take it off the heat a little bit. I've talked to many people and they've said, you know, they think scrambling eggs, like a scrambled egg dish, is one of the easiest things ever to make. And then I see them, what they do is they put it on high heat and cook the heck out of it. That's not the easiest way. I mean, yeah, it's easy, but it's not the right way. And you're not going to get a premium product. Eggs need gentle care and attention sometimes. You can tell by looking at them just how different already they're going to be. When you're done, you need to make sure you get them out of the pan right away as well, because that pan, again, is going to retain a lot of heat and it's going to continue cooking them while you're getting everything else organized, right? So as soon as they're done, as soon as they come together, and I'll show you what that looks like, we're almost there, then you got to get them out of the pan. Again, it's a little bit too hot, so I'm just going to take them off the heat. And we're almost there. And look at how moist and beautiful these eggs are compared to something that's cooked well over high heat and rubbery and dry. Just a little bit more, and we're almost there. Again, just remember that egg proteins are very delicate. If you were deep frying, not that I suggest you deep fry an egg, but if you were deep frying, for example, the temperatures you deep fry at are like 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Eggs cook combined at 156, so that's less than half. And look at that, we are beautifully done. And they'll continue to cook as they're warm on the plate too a little bit. Bang off the heat, come over to our dish, and look at those beautiful, moist, scrambled eggs. Absolutely a pleasure to eat that. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and there you have it. Perfect scrambled eggs every single time. Don't forget to check out bcegg.com for a whole bunch of recipes and great tips. I'm Chef Des, signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?